Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is 𝐕𝐏𝐬 and in this video I'm going to explain you how to automate creating GCP VPC, subnet, firewalls and compute instances using gcloud CLI commands. So here you can see this is my Google Cloud console. So first let's navigate to compute engine and directly select your VM instances. So here you can see currently I have three different virtual machines. So these are the Google Kubernetes engine nodes. So let's leave this and let's open VPC network. And here you can see currently I have three different VPC networks. One is default VPC and one is GCP-VPC and one is my VPC. Okay. So now I'm going to write some gcloud CLI commands to automate GCP infra like creating VPC, subnet, firewalls and compute instances. Okay. So for today's video, previously I created a blog on Medium. So this is the blog link. Okay, so here you can see automate GCP creating VPC, subnet, firewall rules, and compute instances using gcloud CLI. Okay, so using Google Cloud CLI commands, we are going to automate everything like VPC, subnets, and firewalls, and compute instances, and everything. Okay, so here you can see, so these are all the commands to provision infra, and these are all the commands to destroy all the resources. Okay, so now let's open Cloud Shell. And here let's copy all these comments and let's paste it here. So I will explain you all these comments, so to avoid some time I'm not writing this all comments, right? Okay, so let's select ls and let's open this directory and ls. So here let's create an empty file vam infra.sh and I will keep it, okay, in set mode. So let's open this block and let's copy all these comments. So these are the comments to provision infra. I'm going to copy this. So I'll come here and I'll paste it here, all these comments, and I'll explain you all these comments, guys. Okay. So here you can see, so this is the feedback. So first this comment, create a VPC called custom VPC. So here you can see currently here we don't have with name custom VPC. Okay. So here you can see this is the gcloud CLI command, gcloud compute networks create. So we are going to create a network, right? So compute network. So here compute network, and we are going to create a compute network. So that's why here create, and here this is the name of the VPC, which is custom VPC, and hyphen hyphen subnet hyphen mode is equal to custom. Okay. So I will explain you here. So when you create manually here, you need to select create VPC network, and first you need to give the VPC network name. So here you can see same we have given VPC network name as custom VPC and subnet mode. So when you create any of the VPC, here it will ask subnet creation mode. So here we have two different options. One is custom and one is automatic. So if you select custom, you need to create your own subnets. Okay, here you need to give the subnet name and region and IPv4 range. Okay, and if you select automatic, by default Google Cloud will provide some of the subnets for you. Okay, so these are the subnets. So in this video we're going to create custom. So I'm not going to create here, so just I'm going to explain you by using these commands. Okay, so subnet mode custom. Okay, we have given this. So this is the gcloud CLI command to create a VPC network, and after that we are going to create a subnet. So okay, so this is the gcloud CLI command. gcloud compute networks subnet, we're going to create subnets, right? So that's why subnets, and we're going to create, so create, and subnet name I'm going to provide as subnet here and hyphen hyphen network. So in this custom VPC, okay, in this custom VPC we're going to create this subnet here. So that's why hyphen hyphen network we have given custom VPC and region, and I'm going to create this subnet K under this US Central one, and this is the range IPv4 range we have given 10.0.0.0/24, which is 256 IPs. So let's come here. So here you can see when you create any of the subnets, first you need to give the name of the subnet. So here you can see we have given the name like subnet A, and we are going to create this subnet under this VPC. So that's why here we have given the VPC name like custom VPC, and we need to give the region, in which region you want to create this subnet it was asking. So I want to create this subnet under US Central, any of this region, guys, you can select. Okay, so I have given region as US Central one, and after that we need to provide range. So let's come here So here you can see you need to provide range. Okay. So you need to understand manually, guys. So then only you can create using gcloud CLI commands. Okay. So this is the command to create a subnet A, any of the subnet. Okay. So in this video, we're going to create two different subnets, which is subnet A and another is subnet B. So same command, gcloud compute network subnets create, and we're going to create another subnet as subnet B, and hyphen network is custom network, custom VPC. Okay. Under this custom VPC only we are going to create this subnet B, and in this region we are going to create Asia East 1. Subnet A we are going to create under US Central 1. Subnet B we are going to create under Asia East 1. And this is the subnet B range 10.0.1.0/24. Okay. So if you are going to create with this same CIDR range, it will throw an error, guys. It will not create this subnet B. Okay. So now here you can see we are going to create three different virtual machines under this subnet A. Okay, so this is the gcloud CLI command. Gcloud compute instances create instance 1A. Okay, so we are going to give the name like instance 1A and hyphen zone US central 1A and hyphen subnet A. Okay, so here you can see subnet A we have created under US central 1. Okay, so that's why here zone I'm giving US central 1. Okay, and I'm going to create this instance 1A under subnet A. Same instance 1B I'm going to create under subnet A. Same instance 1C I'm going to create under subnet A. Okay, so three virtual machines we are going to create under subnet A. So here you can see instance 1B, for here we have given no address. So this is nothing but we are not going to allocate external IPv4 address for this virtual machine. So that's where I've given no address. Okay. So let's come down. So here you can see, here we are going to create another two virtual machines, which is instance 2 and instance 3. So these two virtual machines we are going to create under subnet B. Okay. So here you can see, here subnet B we created under region Asia East 1. Okay. And after that, we are going to create three different firewall rules. Okay, so this is the command gcloud compute firewall rules. So we are going to create a firewall rules, right? So that's why gcloud compute firewall rules we are going to create. So that's why create, and this is the firewall rule name 𝐿O-SSH and hyphen network. We are going to create this firewall rule under this custom VPC and hyphen 𝐿O. We are going to allow this port, which is port 22 TCP, and this is the description. So this is optional, guys. You can give or else you may not give. That is up to your wish. So we are going to allow ports as 22, 80 and 443, and we are going to create these three firewall rules under this custom VPC. Okay. So let's save this file and let's run this file. So this file will create a VPC and it will create two subnets, which is subnet A and subnet B, and after that it will create three different virtual machines under subnet A, and it will create two different subnets under subnet B. Okay, here you can see subnet B, and after that it will create three different firewall rules with port 22, 80, 443 under this custom VPC. Okay, so let's save this file and let's run this file in ls. Okay, so you need to give executable permissions to this file. So sudo chmod 777 infra.sh and ls. So now let's run this file sh infra.sh. So before running this file, I want to show you all this. So let's come here and let's select VPC networks. Let's refresh this. So here you can see with name custom VPC, we don't have any of the VPC. And let's select here compute engine. And let's select here VM instances. So here you can see currently we have three different virtual machines. So these are the Google Kubernetes engine nodes. Okay, we have only these three virtual machines. So let's leave this. So now let's see. Let's select here VPC network. So first it will create a VPC network and after that it will create subnets, right? So that's why I'm going to open this page first. So I'm going to run this file. So it will create VPC first and after that it will create subnets and after that it will create three virtual machines under subnet A and two virtual machines under subnet B, and it will create some of the firewall rules with port 20, 80 and 443. Okay. So here you can see custom VPC successfully created. So let's come here and let's refresh this page. So here you can see custom VPC has been created. So let's open this and let's select here subnets. So here you can see subnet A has been created. So here you can see subnet A has been created subnet A under custom VPC. So we have written some of the echo commands, right? So that's why here it is displaying like this. So let's wait. So here you can see subnet B created subnet A under VPC, custom VPC. I think I have written this echo command wrong. Okay. So let's refresh this page and let's see. So here you can see subnet B has been created. So one subnet A we created under US Central 1 and subnet B we created under Asia East 1. So here you can see 10.0.0./24 for subnet A and for subnet B 10.0.1.0/24. Okay. Now let's come here. So here you can see instance 1A has been created, 1B has been created, 1C has been created. So let's open compute engine and VM instances. So here you can see 1A, 1B, 1C has been created. Okay. So now instance 2 it is in creating state. So here you can see created instance 2 under subnet B. Let's refresh this. Let's refresh this once again. Okay. So here you can see instance 2 and instance 3 also created. So currently it is creating firewall rules with port 22. Okay. So here you can see it is in working. And here you can see port 80 also it is created. So let's check this. So here you can see all the 5 virtual machines are in up and running. Instance 1A, 1B, 1C are created under subnet A and instance 2 and instance 3 are created under subnet B. Here you can see regions. Subnet B created under US Central A 1. Okay. So here you can see US Central 1A, 1A, 1A. And subnet B we created under Asia East 1. So here you can see these are the regions. Okay. So now here you can see successfully created custom VPC subnet virtual machines firewall rules for HTTP and SSH and HTTPS have been successfully created. Okay. So this is the main advantage of using this gcloud CLI command. So mostly in real time, we will not use this gcloud CLI commands to provision infra guys. Okay. So to provision infra, mostly we use Terraform. So in next video, I'm going to explain you how to create this VPC subnet firewalls compute instances using Terraform. Okay. Mostly real time, we mostly use only Terraform. So let's open VPC network and let's check firewall rules. Let's open this custom VPC. So subnets. So here you can see subnet A and subnet B has been created. And let's jump onto firewalls. Let's drop down this. So here you can see hello HTTPS, hello SSH, and hello HTTP. Okay. So 80.22.443. Okay. So this is the firewall rules we created using gcloud CLI commands. So this is how you can create. So now I'm going to explain you how to destroy this VPC subnet firewalls in compute instances. So let's clear the screen ls and let's open this file infra-destroy.sh. Let's come to the top of the page. So here you can see again. So when you are going to create infra using gcloud CLI commands, that commands will be different, and for destroy also will be different guys. Okay. So here you can see for first we are going to delete firewall rules. So gcloud compute firewall rules delete. So this is the name of the firewall rule: hello SSH, hello HTTP, hello HTTPS. So first we are going to delete this 3 firewall rules, and after that we are going to delete these 3 virtual machines which are created under subnet A. Okay. Gcloud compute instances. So previously we created, right? So that's why there we have given create. So right now we are going to delete, right? So that's why delete instance 1A, and this instance 1A is created under US Central 1A. Okay. So same like this instance 1 we are going to delete, instance 1C we are going to delete. And after that we are created two different virtual machines under subnet B. So these are the 2 different virtual machines: gcloud compute instances delete instance 2 and instance 3 under this subnet Asia East 1A. Okay. We are going to delete this 2 virtual machines under this zones. That means this virtual machines is created under subnet B. Okay. And after that, let's come down. We are going to delete 2 different subnets. So these are the commands: gcloud compute network subnets delete subnet A and --- region US central 1. So subnet A we created as US central 1, right? So this is the command to delete. And gcloud compute networks delete subnet B --- region Asia East 1. Okay, we are going to delete subnet B under this region. And at last we are going to delete VPC. gcloud compute networks delete custom VPC. Okay. After that it will display for everything it will display message like deleting firewall rules for HTTPS and deleting instance created under subnet A. For everything it will display this echo comments. At last it will display all resources have been successfully deleted. Okay, so now I'm going to save this and I'm going to run this file. Okay, sh infra hyphen destroy.sh. So now it will delete all the infra. So first firewall rules will be deleted, guys. Okay, so let's open this and let's select here firewalls. Let's drop down this. So let's come here. So here you can see deleted firewall rule for SSH. Let's refresh this. So here you can see no results to display. That means 3 firewall rules has been deleted. So here you can see 22 has been deleted, 80 has been deleted, 443 has been deleted. Okay. Now virtual machines will be deleted. So let's jump on to compute engine, VM instances. So here you can see instance 1A is going to delete. So now this 5 virtual machines takes nearly 4 to 5 minutes to delete this virtual machines, guys. Okay, each virtual machine takes nearly 30 to 40 seconds to delete this virtual machine. Okay, so that's why it takes nearly 4 to 5 minutes to delete all these virtual machines. After deleting these virtual machines, subnets will be deleted. At last VPC will be deleted. Okay, so let's come here and let's see. So here you can see deleted instance 1A created under subnet A. That means instance 1A has been deleted. So let's refresh this page. So here you can see instance 1A has been deleted. So currently instance 1B is going to delete. So it takes nearly 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to skip this everything, guys. Okay. So here you can see this 5 informations has been taken nearly 6 minutes to delete, guys. Okay. So currently here you can see subnet A has been deleted. So here you can see currently we don't have any of the virtual machines. So let's jump on to VPC network, and here you can see custom VPC and subnets. We don't have even single subnet. So here you can see deleted subnet A and subnet B, and now VPC also will be deleted, custom VPC. So here you can see currently here it was displaying custom VPC. So currently it is in deleting state. So let's see. So here you can see deleted VPC, which is custom VPC. All resources have been successfully deleted. So let's come here and let's refresh this page. So here you can see custom VPC also has been deleted. So this is how you can create VPC, subnet firewalls and compute instances using gcloud CLI commands. Okay, so you can directly follow this blog to create all this using gcloud CLI commands, guys. Okay, so in next video I'll explain you how to create this VPC, subnet firewalls and compute instances using Terraform. Okay, so mostly in real time we mostly use Terraform to provision infra, guys. Okay, so in next video I'm going to explain you using Terraform. Okay, so and yes, that's it for today's video. So I will provide this blog link in my video description so you can directly use this blog. Okay, and yes, that's it for today's video. And if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and see you in the next video, and bye.